Alright, good day students. What we have today is word problems relating to algebraic equation. So, as you have seen, you are asked to, or you are given that the product of two consecutive odd number is 195. You are required to find these two odd numbers. So, what is the first thing you have to do? The first thing you have to do is to assign a variable which is common, which can be a common number or value between the two consecutive odd numbers. So in this case, we can say let A be the common number between the two pairs of odd numbers. So in this case, we say that let A be the common number between the two pairs of odd numbers. So we know that odd numbers, from our knowledge of mathematics, odd numbers include 1, 2 is not odd number, 2 is even number, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So these are odd number. So if we say that the common number between the odd numbers is A, in that case the numbers will be what? A plus 1 and the what? A plus what? 3, because they are consecutive, means that the next number, which is odd, follows the first one. So they are pairs. Like this one, 3 and 5 are pair, 5 and 6 are pair, 7 and 9 are pair. So in this case, we say they are consecutive, not 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are not consecutive, although they are odd numbers, but they are not consecutive. Odd numbers which are consecutive follow each other immediately. So in this case, A plus 1 and the A plus what? 3 be the two consecutive odd number. So we are told that their product is equals to 195. In that case, you have to multiply the two. We have A plus 1, A plus 3 is equals to 195. So once you arrive at this point, the next thing you have to do is to expand bracket and collect line terms. In this case, we have what? A squared plus what? 3A plus A plus 3 will give us 195. So the next thing is to combine like terms. If you do that, you have A raised to power 2 plus 4A plus 3. 195 crosses equal side, it becomes minus 195, and it will left nothing, which is 0. So from here, you see that 3 minus 195 will give us what? It will give us minus 192. So I can replace this with minus 192 because we don't have enough space. So in this case, we have minus 192 will be equals to 0. So you have to factorize this expression, this equation. Factorize here. You have A squared plus what? 16A minus 12A minus 192 is equals to 0. So we have A is common. You have A plus what? 16 minus what? 12 in bracket A plus 16 will give us 0. So in this case, you have what? So if you simplify further, you have A plus 16, A minus 12 is equals to 0. Hope you seen it. So let's bring it up. I clear here. So we say that A plus 16, a minus 12 is equals to 0. The next thing is to equate each of factors to 0. Equate each of factors to 0 and then find the value of a. So in this case we have a plus 16 is equals to 0, or a minus 12 is equals to 0. So this gives us a to be equals to minus 16, or a to be equals to 12. So but a is not the numbers, they are common number, a common number to the two consecutive odd numbers. So we have a plus 1 and a plus 3 as the consecutive odd number. So when a plus 1, so in this case substitute like we have gotten, when a is equals to minus 16, a plus 1 will be equals to what? Will be equals to minus 16 plus 1, that gives us minus 15. So, and when a plus 3, again we have a plus 3. In this case we have what? Minus 16 plus 3, and this will give us minus 13. So the two consecutive odd number is what? Minus 13 and minus 15. For the negative, so if you multiply these two numbers, you will get what? You will get 195. But when a is equals to 12, if a is equals to 12, you have a plus 1 to be equals to 12 plus 1, and this gives us 13, and a plus 3 will give us 12 plus 3, and this gives us 15. So the next consecutive odd number will be 13 and the what? 15. So any of these two numbers we do, any of these two odd pairs or two consecutive odd number will definitely give us 195. So if you can check it, minus 13 times minus 15, what is the result? 13 times 15, what is the result? So if you do that, you have 195, and also you have 195. So this is where we end the lesson. Please click the subscription button before you go for more videos for your review. Click the notification button so that whenever we update new videos, we will notify you. Share and like. That is it. That is all we are asking you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos for your review. See you in the next class. Bye for now.